हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A B C D E F. Let's start. Pink color, brown color, violet color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, pink color, red color, red color. A. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Letter B. D. This is letter B. D. Now kids, we are tracing letter C. This is letter C. C. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D. E. E. Kids, this is letter F. F. Green color. A. We are tracing letter A. Kids, this is letter B. B. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B. Orange color. This is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter C. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. Sky blue color. E. This is letter E. F. Kids, we are tracing letter F. F. Kids, read again. A. For aunt. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.